How to download Steam on PC and laptop. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll guide you on how to download Steam on your PC or laptop. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to launch your favorite web browser and then go to Steam About page. Click the Install Steam button, making sure to choose the correct version of your system. Next, open the Steam setup file and click on Yes to allow the changes. Click on Next, select your language, and then click on Next again. If you'd like to change the location where Steam will be installed, click on Browse and choose your preferred folder. I will stick with the default location and click on Install and wait for the Steam to finish installing. Once it's done, check the box to run Steam and click on Finish. Steam will launch and automatically update. Please don't close the update window, just wait for it to complete, and if you have a Steam account, you can sign in. If you don't, click on the Create a Free Account button to set up one. If you had trouble with the CAPTCHA, try using the audio CAPTCHA option, and once the Steam is opened, you can download and play any games you already own or explore new games. So this was all about it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.